Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. Today we're preparing a Filipino classic dessert or snack. Alam nyo na, walang iba kundi turon. Ito yung kailangan natin: saging, langka, lumpia wrapper, and of course, sugar and oil. Pero gawin natin turon a la mode. Okay? So we'll first begin with heating our oil. Maganda ito, maraming oil, no? Parang deep fried siya. That's the way to do it. Okay. And then pag mainit na yung skillet natin, lalagyan natin siya ng brown sugar. In the meantime, ang gagawin natin, mag-separate na tayo ng langka. And then meron siyang seed sa gitna na sa liso. Tangon na mo, and also the sack of the seed. This one, don't throw this kasi masarap to. Ilungag mo, no? Pakuluan mo, and then pwede ring snack yan. Sarap. We'll get a few langka. Open the middle. Take out the seed in the sack, but don't throw it. Just put it here on the side. Magagamit pa natin yan. Ito, favorite ko talaga to. Isa sa mga favorites ko, itong langka. I can eat this every day, as in literally every day. So sa office, pagdating ng mga bandang alas 2, alas 3 ng hapon, ipapabili na ako nito sa mga kanto-kanto dito sa Ormoc. Or sometimes, ako mismo yung nagpupunta dun sa matindahan nila. Then I go there, I stay there, I eat there. Favorite ko kasi ito eh. Sarap ba? Masarap pag hinog yung langka. Ormoc is the langka capital of Region 8. Before nung panahon ni I think, if I'm not mistaken, panahon ni Presidente Ramos, doon lumabas yung program na One Town, One Product. So, in the whole region, may kanya-kanya silang mga tanim na mga fruit-bearing trees, iba-iba, or mga products. Ang na-assign sa Ormoc City was langka. So, pag umikot ka dito sa buong city na yun, makita mo napakaraming langka dito. So, this one, this is what we are using now. Itong langka from Ormoc. What we'll do now next is prepare naman yung ating banana. Okay, we got a plate. Hindi na lalagyan yung bananas natin. Isa-isayin lang natin to. So ako, when I make turon, gusto ko yung banana, ano siya, yung ripe na. Gusto ko ripe kasi para malambot yung saging, malambot din pag niluto. I'll just cut this in half. Then just use your hand. Be careful not to hurt yourself. So, I'll split it into two. Yan lang. Tuloy-tuloy lang. Tama-tama lang yung pagkahinog ng saging. Hindi siya masyadong mushy. Kasi pag overripe naman, mushy masyado. Tapos pag medyo hilaw naman, tigas. So yung gamit natin na saging dito is saging na saba. So now medyo mainit na yung oil natin. What we can do is put our brown sugar and then let it caramelize. No? Pag caramelize na siya, lalagyan natin yung ating turon. We'll start cooking it. So yan. So now, kuha tayo ng wrapper natin. Kuha tayo ng lumpia wrapper. So ang ginagawa ko, medyo niro-roll ko siya ng konti sa brown sugar, and then ilalagay ko dito. And then I'll top it with langka. With a sliver of langka. Ganun lang. Put it on top. And then wrap it. Ganun lang siya. Close it on both sides. Just like that. And then just roll it. Yan na yan. Okay, then put it on the side. Then just keep on repeating the system. Yan yung process niya. Roll it in sugar. Coat it brown sugar on both sides. Okay. Start rolling it. Lock it on both ends. Yun. Tapos ikot lang. Yun. Ganun lang siya. But what you can do is that pag sineparate mo na siya, Huwag mo siya masyadong iwanan na matagal na naka-expose sa hangin. Otherwise, titigas, it will become too crunchy. Minsan, pag ikot mo, mapupunit yung yung wrapper, so sayang, no? Again, the process just like this. Have it on both ends. Yan, no? And then close it there. So ayan. So nagbubble na siya. That means ready na for frying tong turon natin. Ayan. So ayan. When it's like this, you can already drop your turon. So dahan-dahan because it's very hot. So drop it there. Drop it there. Ayan. Tatlo-tatlo muna. Natin siya para dumikit yung caramel. Kasi mabilis lang ito maluto. Parang 3 minutes on each side, then you're done. It's importante while you're cooking it, dapat maluto din yung banana inside the wrapper. So pag nandiyan na siya, you have to lower the heat para hindi rin masunog yung lumpia wrapper. Okay, ikot natin siya. Wow, there you go. How nice. And then make sure na once maluto ito, you let it drip for a while. Pero ang suggestion ko is to put it sa plato na merong banana leaves para hindi magdikit-dikit yung turon. So, our turon is done. My golly, look at that. And one more. So, pag medyo mataas ang blood sugar mo, huwag masyadong maraming kain ito. Ha? Huwag masyadong marami. Okay. So here you go. After this, lagyan natin siya ng vanilla ice cream para a la mode. Vanilla ice cream will be perfect for this. Nice. And I put this on top, just like that. And then put some chocolate syrup. Watch this. Watch that. Woo! All right. Beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, for your snack, turon ala Goma. Okay, let's try this. Woo. Crunchy, beautiful. See, kaya maganda to. It serves banana leaf kasi hindi dumidikit sa plato yung caramel. And then put a little ice cream. Sabi nga nila, sarap. Wow! One more. Love this. Sayang wala si Juliana dito para masubukan niya. Good, very good. So there you go. Our turon ala Goma. Thank you for watching me here in Goma at Home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell para alam nyo kapag andyan na yung bago nating video. Try this in your own kitchen. The recipes are so simple. Banana, langka, sugar, oil, ice cream, chocolate syrup. That's it. No? And then give me a comment kung ano yung mga recipes na gusto yung lutuin ko or any desserts. I'll try to do it. Okay? So, keep on watching me here in Goma at Home. Thank you so much and goodbye. Ooh. Ice cream. Wow. Sugar overload. to the max. Sarap.